In this video, we will show you how to add datasets to Qlik Cloud. When adding datasets, you have two options: uploading data files or creating connections to your dataset. By clicking the Upload Data File button, the Add File dialog will open. Here, you can browse to the location where your file is stored, or simply drag and drop your file. In this case, we import an XLSX file. Select a space in which you want to add your dataset. Then, you have two options. By clicking Upload and Analyze, a new app with the data will be created in the selected space. Alternatively, you can just upload your dataset. The other option is to create a connection to your databases. Clicking the Create Connection button, a list of available connectors will open. Select your database from the list. In this case, we select PostgreSQL. Insert the host name and port, then add the database name. Add your username and password, and optionally define other parameters. Define a name for your database. When finished, click the Test Connection button. Once the connection test succeeds, you can click the Create button. In the connection dialog, select the database and click Next. Select the owner from the drop-down menu, then select the tables you want to add. When done, click Next. In the Confirm Dataset Creation dialog, select the destination space for your dataset. When done, click the Create Dataset button. The dataset is now available in the selected space. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.